I am currently installing Android on my iPhone 3G. So, if you install bootlace through the Big Boss repo, it won't work for some reason. So, I had to put a new repo in that someone made. I'll put it up on screen for you guys. So, also, there was some long, complicated tutorial using command prompts and stuff like that. But this is a lot easier, let me tell you. Alright, I just installed the Android firmware and now I'm installing Open iBoot. Alright, everything's installed. Let's boot it up. Alright, it's starting to boot now. Look at that, Android. Gotta love how it's running commands on an ancient phone. Look at that. Custom boot logo. Okay, it is booted. And it is really slow. Let's see what apps there are on it. Doesn't seem to be any. I don't know how I'm supposed to load apps onto this. I think this is Android 2.3. Let me check. Never mind, there are apps. I believe spare parts is settings. I don't know. Yep, it is. Not very clear, but the home button doesn't work, so this is the back button, I guess. Let's try DevTools. I'm trying to see what Android version this is, but it doesn't appear to give me anything, so I guess that's it. Let me know if you guys like this. Okay, I found settings. I am fucking stupid. About phone. So it's Android 2.3.2, and it's pretty cool that it recognizes it as an iPhone 3G. But yeah, I guess that's it now officially. Let me know if you guys liked it.